Autos channel here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a group. So let's dive in. You're not current group and you don't want to be a part of the group anymore. You want to exit from the group on Facebook, and how do you go about it? Let me show you in this quick tutorial. So let's go inside. Guys, before we go, please click the subscribe button. Kindly subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you. Now let's continue. Can also the next step is click on the profile picture. Let me show my tab. Click on your settings. Oh, sorry guys. You come here, then see your group. Oh, okay, this is it. Yeah. Click on your groups. It's going to show all the groups that you follow, all the groups you follow, all the groups you like on your Facebook. These are all. So now when you want to follow, you want to exit from a particular groups here. Alright, let me just choose this now. For example, this is it now. This is the one group. Now you can click on the three dots, and this is it. So you want to unfollow. Do you want to leave? You can do everything here. You unfollow, and you can also leave the group. Leave group, and this is it. You have successfully left the group. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment on any tutorial you want me to touch. I'll trust me, I'm gonna drop a video on it. Thank you guys.